Tatay, sana naman ang punta natin.
We are going to Napsan, to Fiesta. I'm so excited. It's really what I love here in the Philippines, that there is always lot of gathering, you know, always lot of celebrations where you can meet other people.
Eat with people.
Eat with people, have fun.
Yeah.
In Europe you have it too, but it's very rare, you know.
Like,
here it's often.
And it's a small group.
Yes.
Unlike here,
It's
hundreds.
big,
Yeah.
hundreds.
Sometimes
So,
even 1,000, right?
Yes. I'm so excited, really.
Tara na.
I miss it. Yeah, let's
Simba
go.
muna
Let's
tayo,
go.
no? Simba.
Yeah,
Tara.
let's go Simba.
Ala, tatay, may nakaharang.
There is someone who don't want us to go.
Tara, bubu!
You have some pororot?
Charaw, charaw! Wow, that was a big one. Mag-shake na. Hindi tayo na. Tignan nyo yung nakikipiesta, oh. Ilan ang pinggan niya dyan, oh. 3. Sarap. Wait lang. Hi. Ciao. Dami fiesta. So, lovely. Another lechon. Talagang hindi ka pa nagkaigay sa kurot.
I'm so full, but they are so nice. They gave us more.
Tapos ano yung meron dyan? Ito, oh. Ay, yung crunchy.
Even buntot.
Kagat ka ulit. One more time. Crunchy. Sabor?
Sabor.